In Creo 13, we continue expanding the functionality of the HSM Undercut Machining step introduced in Creo 12, now to support an advanced side milling tool. You can now define separate values for the upper corner radius and lower corner radius of this tool to handle the undercut areas that are not directly visible from the position of the spindle. Additionally, the circular interpolation parameter is also supported for the HSM Undercut Machining step. This parameter defines the format to output the tool motion along an arc or circle in the CAD file. This enhancement provides the following benefits: supports separate upper corner and lower corner values for the tool radius, enhances machining efficiency, and provides a user experience consistent with Creo NC workflows. Thank you for your attention.